Hi, Max German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price. Exact same item with shipping. Post this video. 2011 Audi A3. Complete driver's front window regulator with the frame, the motor, all attachments, $100, 100. Glass, the frame, the motor, the window regulator. Complete driver's front window regulator with frame and motor and all attachments for $100. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. I'll meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping. Posted for the video. 2011 Audi A3. Complete driver's front window regulator with all attachments including frame, glass, and motor. $100. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.